some fidgets, as you can see right here. So what's in it? Plus, I need the scissors, and no one has scissors in this one. I'm gonna get it. There you go. So here's the scissors. I use it for paint a lot. There you go. Snap it up. Yeah, I think that way. So I need to snap it up. Okay. I think this is good enough. Okay. Now the first thing I see is here's the fidgets in this bag. Okay, so first is I just noticed that that's what I mean. Okay, first fidget I see right here is pop tubes. I love them. They're so cool. And also I'm gonna be weighing this fidget, and I think I'd give this like an 8.5 out of 10. I always wanted these. My friends have them, but like they never shared it with me because like they're so careful. Oh, I love this. It's like a bendy, like you can bend it. I can make a triangle out of this. Wow, this is so cool. Okay, so look. Okay, I'll rate this a 9. I'll say just a 9 because I love these, but they're not the best. Not big. Poppets. I love them. 9.5 out of 10. And look, it's Among Us. And also I see another one in the bag. It's a T-Rex. Yeah, T-Rex. So cool. That's so cool. Okay, let's put it together. Now next is like the Rubik's Cube that you have. It's like, oh, I love it. I think it's called a Vinny Cube. Yeah, I think that's what it's called. Whoa, so cool. Honestly, I always wanted this, so I could get it a 10 out of 10. It's just so cool. Yeah, 10 out of 10. You can get it. Right here. So I rate this a 10. It's absolutely amazing. Okay, so, oh, peas in the pot. Oh, I love them. So cute. I'll give it, honestly, 5. Okay, the same one as the one I had, just different color. I see these on YouTube, but I don't even know how to use it. That's the thing, like, how do you use this? Like, oh, I think it's like this. Oh no. Oh, that's cool. Hey, what are these? Oh, I'm sorry, with that, these are like, oh, maybe it's like acrobatics. Oh yeah. I'll rate this a 5. I love these. It's like there's something in it, like there's a marble in it, and then you get to play with it. 8. This is amazing. I love this. Inshallah, board. Okay, look, I can show you an example. I'm gonna win. No! This is what I love about it. Oh, there's 2 pieces in the pot. I just noticed. Oh, another one of this. Green. Monkey noodles. I'm not a big fan of them, but they are obviously pretty cool. And they're stretchy though. Actually, I never felt them before, but now I felt them. I'm like, oh my gosh, that looks so cool. This is actually really fun. I never tried them, but I saw them and I think they look bad, but they're actually really cool. Whoa. These are like rings for like your finger. this one's a gift. It's not a fidget. There's golden ones too, but I'm gonna leave that in there. This is just amazing. Where's the stickers? I feel like this is so weird though. What? Whoa, it feels weird. It's like, isn't it so? Oh yeah, like this. Like, wait, ASMR. Wait, I don't know how to say it. Wait. Do you guys hear that? I hope you hear it. But oh, and I like this. 8. Honestly, yeah. Oh, and that's it. Just there's more of this, and the golden, and these. Oh, and this golden that comes with the set. So yeah. Oh, and there's one more thing. Just notice is this cute little. Hey, and you put all my pictures in here. Whoa, well, that's it for the video. I hope you like it. Make sure to subscribe, like, and turn on those notifications.